M235i. It's 52 degrees out, plenty sunny, decently warm here. The thing that's killing me is this ticking noise seems way too loud for it comparably to the other BMWs. I've had a 135i before, and then I also had a 335xi as well. Let me turn it on, you can see this. It's relatively quiet, but it'll start getting louder and louder. And then it'll start picking up and getting even louder here in a second. The continual ticking, I'm going to pop the hood. This ticking noise is just crazy loud, it feels like, especially when you're next to like a house or something like that. It is just so loud. Never had a BMW. I just don't know what's going on with it. Any ideas or thoughts, would definitely appreciate it. I've heard some people say the ticking's normal. I don't think the ticking this loud. I've never had a BMW. I've had the other ones with very light tick, but this one's just extremely loud. So any thoughts would be appreciated.